Hello, let us try to solve another type of question from quadratic equation. And the question says the present age of mother is equal to the square of the age of her daughter after 1 year. Here let M and D be represent the present age of mother and daughter. As we've been informed from the question that the present age of mother, which is M, is equal to the square here square of the age of her daughter after 1 year. So after 1 year, if the daughter is D year right now, she will be D plus 1 year after 1 year. Now here, to make our first equation, it has said that the present age of mother is equal to the square of the age of our daughter after 1 year. So square of our daughter's age after 1 year is D plus 1 squared. So our first equation is present age of mother M is equal to the square of her age of her daughter after 1 year. So this is our first equation. Now let us look at the second part of question. If the age of daughter in 10 years hence, means after 10 years, will be 1 year less than the age of our mother in 10 years. So let us try to make our second equation. Here D plus 10 represent the age of daughter in 10 year hence, and the age of her mother in 10 years ago means M minus 10, means before 10 years. And here still the age of daughter is 1 year less, means this part of equation is less than the right hand side of equation. So in order to equate it, we have to add 1 to the smaller part, which is the left hand side, daughter's age. This will make our second equation. On solving of our second equation, we get D minus 11 is equal to M minus 10. Further solving, we get M equals to D plus 21. Now once again, let us try to solve our first equation. Here M equals D plus 1 whole squared was our first equation. So this one, for the simplification, gives M equals to D squared plus 2D plus 1. We have used the formula A plus B whole squared here. Now let us substitute the value M equals D plus 21 over here in place of this M. This gives D plus 1 equals D squared plus 2D plus 1. This gives D squared plus D minus 20 is equal to 0. In place of 1D, here I've used 5 minus 4D, which is same. This gives D squared plus 5D minus 4D minus 20 is equal to 0. Now let's take D common from our first two expression and minus 4 common from our last two expression. This leads to D plus 5 minus 4 D plus 5 is equal to 0. This gives D minus 4 times D plus 5 is equal to 0. Here on solving, either D minus 4 is equal to 0, this gives D to be 4 years, or D plus 5 is equal to 0, this gives D to be minus 5, which is not possible since D is the age of daughter. So we take D to be 4 years. So when D is 4 years, let us substitute it in equation 1 in order to find the age of mother. So in place of D, I've written 4. This gives 5 squared, which is 25 years, which is the age of mother. So find the present ages gives daughter age to be 4 years and mother age to be 25 years, which is our answer. So I hope you got the idea, and yes, thanks for watching.